What's up, people? Ako ang inyong chikadorang Kuya JB o ako ang inyong kauban karon nga adlaw. As students, dili jud pwede nga mosulod ta sa school nga walay allowance. So, for the pilot episode of People, we will be interviewing random bipsonistas if pila ang ilang allowance per week. Tara, ubni ko ninyo. Hi, I am JB from Pilar and I will be asking random questions for you both. But before that, pwede nyo bang ipakilala ang inyong mga sarili?
Hello, I am Stephanie S. Mahinay from BSCS.
And I am Kyla Jean M. Mohar from BSCS.
How much po is your allowance for a week?
Actually, ang hatag sa ko kay for month naman, 1.5.
Para sa ko ay, month po siya hatag pero na siya ikoan is 1,000 siya per week.
So, how do you spend po yung allowance niyo for a week po?
Sa ako, kay mo palit na ko daan o tawag ito, groceries, mag-stock na ko daan sa boarding house. Ano,
How about you, ma'am?
Same as her pod nga magkana. Pero naay po times na dili may mag groceries ang mga consume lang na kailangan sa like personal hygiene and other stuff nga importante sa boarding house.
So, hanggang saan aabot po ang allowances niyo?
hanggang 50.
Feel ko di siya abot ng 1 month yung 4K. Ganun.
Especially sa ako, kay 1.5 lang, so very tipid good talaga. Pero kay, kung gusto, may paraan.
So, mostly, maubos talaga ang money is kaon-kaon rather than some stuff. Pero, mga budget na magyapon.
Okay po. Thank you so much po for your time. Would you like to introduce first yourself?
My name is Iris.
My name is David po.
Magkano po ang allowance niyo for a week?
1.2.
How about you, sir?
Depende ra po, kuan. 1.7 dan ay 500 kada week.
So hanggang saan aabot po yung mga allowances niyo for a week?
For now, 60 pesos na lang po naiwan.
How about you, sir?
Kuan po, may 300 pa ko bag.
So paano niyo po ginispend ang inyong mga allowance for a week?
Bayarin sa school, print. Most of sa print po talaga kasi marami pong
How about you, sir?
Same siya kay mag-classmate man mi po.
So yeah, thank you po, thank you. Would you like to introduce yourself, Pumu?
I am Pia Samantha Gary from Biliran Province State University, a tourism student, a fourth year.
Magkano po ang allowance mo for a week?
It depends lang. And binibigyan ako ng mama ko ng 2,000 for 2 weeks. Pero that is not enough for me.
Hanggang saan naabot ang 2,000 mo?
Mga 1 week lang.
So paano niyo po inispend yung allowance mo for a week?
Kasi parati akong gutom eh. At marami kaming bayarin. Kaya yun, dun na-spend yung allowance ko.
Okay po, thank you po. Maraming salamat for your time.
I'm Denver Kyle Patagnan from Local Biliran.
So, for my first question po, how much po is your allowance for a week?
Around mga 500 per
And
week.
with that 500 po, hanggang saan naabot po yan for a week?
Mga Sunday, Monday to Sunday.
Wow, so that's parang unique kasi mostly is umaabot lang ng 3 days. How do you spend po your allowance for a week, sir?
By budgeting. Sa 500, binabudget ko yan hanggang maabot ng Sunday, Monday to Sunday.
Wow, that's a thrifty thing to you, sir. So thank you po for your time. So we hope that you enjoy the rest of the day. Would you like to introduce yourself?
And I am John B. Pluma from the Home of Innovation, the School of Technology and Computer Studies.
Magkano po ang allowance mo for a week?
At exactly 1K. 1K.
So with that 1K po, hanggang saan naabot po yan?
Guessing the time the project murag mo abot lang siya og mga 3 days exactly kay tungod sa drought sa print and photocopy and sa mga amutan.
Wow, that 1K is parang maglalaho lang sa ilang araw. So parang bula. So how do you spend po your allowance for a week?
spending sa kinini ang sudan, especially sudan jud no kay ang atong gipakita sudan mangud sa adlaw-adlaw, and sa kanini ang pamasahe kay since layo ang boarding house, and then ang kanini ang tawagan ni pa-print and photocopy mao lang.
Thank you po, Kuya. Thank you. And yes, we heard you, Bipsunistes. Stay tuned for our next episode. This has been your host, JB, o kini ang Pilar Paul. Anong say ng people?